PAC has kind of frequently been accused of straying beyond its remit. Do you think that's happened at any stage during your chairmanship over the past?
Well, everyone has a different definition of this remit business. The fact of the matter is that in my term as chairman, I don't believe that we strayed beyond our remit. Every so often we have to take legal advice which warns us about straying beyond our remit. But the members of that committee take their job in a very responsible way, and they're anxious to get the answers on behalf of the public that we represent. And in doing that, you have to observe the rights of people, you have to observe the law that's there, you have to observe the remit of the people, or sorry, the remit of the committee. And it is my judgment that we do all of that, and at the same time try to get the answers.
You took a lot of flack for calling on the Sec-Gen of the Department of Health and the HSE Director General to step down last June. Do you regret doing that?
Not at all. I mean,
do you still hold that view?
Oh, I do. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, the Secretary General is gone.
Yes, indeed.
And the CEO of the HSE is still there. But the fact of the matter is that
you were accused of politicising your role as chairman of the Public Health Committee. That you were kind of using it for political ends to sort of make a point about certain officials having to.
No, I wasn't. It was. My background is business, and when I see somebody in a company or in an office or in a position of a CEO or a Secretary General, and they can't control the budget that they have received to the tune of an overspend of millions of euro, then they have to be taken into account. And I suggested to them that, rather than calling on the Minister all the time to resign, that maybe they should consider their positions. And I still hold that is the case. Where a Secretary General of a department or where a Secretary General of a government agency is not doing the job, he or she should be asked to move on. Otherwise you're not going to get a change of culture, and you're not going to get any real effort being made to save public monies and to spend them efficiently.